This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion Enhancer. First, you will need to download the latest version of Notion Enhancer from its official GitHub page. Once downloaded, close your Notion application entirely. Then, simply run the installer file and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions. This process usually takes less than 1 minute to complete, setting up the framework for all your future customizations. After a successful installation, launch Notion Enhancer. You will immediately see its intuitive settings panel. Head over to the Mods tab, which is where all the magic happens. Here, you can browse through dozens of available modifications. Take your time to explore and decide which enhancements best suit your personal Notion experience. Within the Mods tab, you will find categories like themes, tweaks, and even custom CSS options. Click on any mod to read its description and adjust its specific settings. Once you have made your selections, simply click Apply to see the changes take effect immediately in your Notion application. It is a quick and easy way to personalize your workspace. For advanced users, the custom CSS feature offers unparalleled control over Notion's aesthetics. If you encounter any issues or seek inspiration, the Notion Enhancer community is a fantastic resource for shared themes and support. Remember, if a mod does not appear to work right away, simply restart your Notion application. This often resolves minor display glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.